Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday and I will be
2 hours later
doing my second workshop here in Penang. So I decided to take you with me today and I'll show you what my day is. I'm sorry about my messy hair. I actually was thinking of not doing this vlog as early as now. I was thinking of starting the vlog after I showered so that I'll have better hair, but please don't make fun of my messy hair. Anyway, so let's go. It's a beautiful day here at Penang. I'm still new with this vlogging thing, so... Oh wait, I forgot. I bought croissant for breakfast yesterday, so... Haha, I have something to eat today. I don't usually have breakfast, but... well... breakfast with this view. So I decided to stay in and have my church from my laptop. I just try not to go out as much as I can, and I don't know what else to say. Hey, so I'm all packed up. I prepared all the things that I need to bring for my workshop, and now I am going out. I'm gonna buy some coffee for my mom and then have lunch and then go to the workshop place. So I'll try to take you with me if I'm not like awkward to be vlogging. So let's go. Woo. Say hi. It feels weird.